Friday, part 3, right before the close. Mine closes at 2 p.m. I'm in Arizona, and I'm on Denver time. Who's in the Super Bowl? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so I tossed this out. UGAS, $9 or $3 next. Shouldn't it be 3 or 9? Usually if I lead with something like this, or the symbol first, like put down bullish, that means I'm bullish on it. I assume most of you want to know now. You're basically 5-year-old traders, sanguine, newbies, what have you, learning. But what I do is try to poke the herd to see how they move and react. So I wrote down UGAS, 9 or 3 next. Well, obviously 3 is pennies away. Most people would jump on that as a 1 to 9 odds winner, and sometimes 1 to 9 doesn't pay. So I threw this out here and I received a lot of responses. 999 sure appears to be 3, so there's a good one there. And then my take, well, that's what I'm here for. You guys have got to help me out too. And it goes on and on and on and on and on. So, but what it was my chart. I knew that the price of natural gas, it wouldn't take much to get it to move. With Thursday and Friday, it doesn't mean that this downtrend is going to turn on a dime, but you have to look at the opportunity. We're either going to make fresh lows in natural gas, head towards the I think it's 182 for April of 2012's low, or down to 102, which was I think winter of 91's low. And I looked at this and said, well, if I thought natural gas was going to go up starting Sunday, this would be the first target in a sideways pattern again. Here we are going sideways. But I thought, well, if you clear this, what's exactly next? And I said, well, it's up to here. Now we're at 9. Well, throw it out there. Here's 375, 366. Do you think it's going to go to 3 or 9? And sure, it can go to here, but what happens if I'm wrong and it goes to here? So I threw that out there, and I got responses that I thought, but I didn't get some of those that I would expect to get, but that's here nor there. So that's why I threw that out there, because I just thought, well, 3 was pretty easy for them to pick it, but just to see if anyone would say, no way, man, it's not going to happen, it's going to 0, and come up with every excuse on the books. So here's the natural gas or UNG chart, and modern technology. Okay. Let's see here. We have natural gas. We looked at this once before, right here. This is what we're going to clear. This is our target for Sunday night. And this is the stock market. This is a quarterly. And these are linear regression lines. It uses all this data that goes way back to 1932. And what the thing that interests me the most is how many red bars are there in an up move. Red bars, 1, 2, up move, a couple of here, 1 here. Well, interesting. And this is 15 days. Someone had listed a whole bunch of these weird ticker symbols up here and said we should have a contest. And for 3 months out, I took this one here because I thought somewhere along August Russia would implode and pull neighboring countries and contracts down with them. It's just going off of history. If you can't pay your bills, what's going to happen, right? Okay, and some of these for 15 days. This one was gold, 51. I think this is bearish miners. And this is it for 200 days for fun and games. This one is 520%. Inverted crude. Oh, this is the DWTI. Most people are going after this one. Yes, it's down 91%. But wouldn't you want to have this one? This would be the trend followers. This would be the ones who fade.